The work-at-home job that you can start instantly.
Rich DeMuro explains in today's TechSmart.
Doing laundry isn't necessarily at the top of many people's lists of things they like to do, but a startup named SudShare is turning laundry day into an opportunity to make some extra cash. That sound is money to Tony Villalobos.
In these 5 months, I've been able to catch up on every single bill that I've had.
You're going to show me where you do the laundry?
Yeah, this is where the magic happens.
The El Monte resident was looking for a way to make some extra cash after a recent layoff. He discovered SudShare, an app like Uber, but for doing other people's dirty laundry.
I have towels, blankets, kids' clothes, adults' clothes, athletic stuff.
Villalobos is now among the 200,000 Sudsters nationwide, picking up bags of laundry, washing, and yes, folding, then returning within 24 hours.
Technology's made everything so fast and easy, except for this chore that takes the longest and that we hate the most, laundry. Mort
Fertil got the idea for SudShare from his wife, who was frustrated with the time-consuming task.
This is the first ever manual labor work-from-home gig in the world where people take their laundry room and basically turn it into a work-from-home gig.
SudShare charges about $1 a pound for cleaning. Sudsters keep about 75% of that, plus tips and bonuses.
Our top 10 Sudsters are earning over $5,000 a month.
I do have my gloves right here, so I have a little compartment with all my SudShare stuff.
Training videos and tutorials teach everything from how to wash to how to fold.
And if there is a zipper on it, it has to be zipped up and then buttoned.
Customers can choose from high-quality scented or hypoallergenic detergent, or supply their own.
I really do enjoy it. I recommend it to as many people as possible.
SudShare uses an algorithm to ensure that the best performing Sudsters get the best jobs. Villalobos tells me that he makes about $200 a week doing just a few orders, and that's in addition to his new full-time job. All right, if you want to learn more about SudShare, go to my website. It is richontech.tv. I'm Rich DeMuro, and you are TechSmart.